Today, I'm teaching you guys how we guys can apply for monetization on Facebook page. Now, before applying for monetization, you need to know that you need to have at least more than 10,000 followers on your Facebook page and have 50,000 post engagement and 18,000 watch hour. And this 18,000 watch hour and 50,000 post engagement needs to be within 60 days. Every 60 days, it's going to be resetted. So if you have fulfilled that criteria, you can click on menu at the bottom right of the screen. And over here, what you need to do is click on words as professional dashboard. Now I'm currently logged into my Facebook page account already. That's why I can see professional dashboard. So make sure you're inside of Facebook page account as well. Now, once you're inside your professional dashboard, just scroll all the way down and under tools. The first options as monetization. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you if you're eligible for monetization or not. So at my top, it shows me not yet eligible. That means I am not eligible for monetization because I haven't fulfilled the criterias yet. But if your criterias are fulfilled, then at the top, it's going to show you eligible from there. You can apply for your monetization and Facebook page. So that's how we guys can apply to monetize your Facebook page. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe for a channel for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.